What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah Marie and I'm back with another video. And no, this is not my typical cooking video. Well, it kind of is a cooking video. I'm just showing you how to do something that all people should be on. I don't know why people aren't on this, but majority of Americans eat what I'm about to make in a bottle and they buy it from the store, which you shouldn't do. But if you couldn't tell from the title, I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade ranch. Yes, I said it. Homemade ranch. We're not doing any of that bottle or store-bought bullshit, okay? Yes, I said it. If you're eating that, get in the garbage with that bottle because y'all are both garbage. Like, we're not doing that over here, okay? We're doing some fresh shit over here, okay?
You know I love to do a lot of things, but my favorite thing to do is cooking. Welcome to Cooking with a P-Star. I can get it real hot and hard.
So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I make videos like this one. So we are back with Cooking with the P-Star. As you see, I got all these wings and no ranch. So we gotta make some ranch for these boys, okay? Because if I don't have ranch, then there's gonna be an issue. So the ingredients, you're gonna need garlic paste, sour cream, mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise. I'm a Duke's girl, so just you do what you do. Salt, pepper, Lowry season. Let me move this out the way. You're also gonna need a mason jar to put the sauce in. Parsley, dill weed, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, chives, a lemon, and that's it. It's really that simple. Yes, a lot of y'all be making it more than what it is. Y'all think that it's this extravagant sauce when it's just a few ingredients mixed in a bowl. I'm gonna show you how to do it, come on. So we're gonna take our chives and I'm gonna use all of these. I'm gonna get my knife and I'm just gonna chop these up real thin. Just like so. And you can do fresh parsley and fresh dill, but I couldn't find any at my store, so I had to get the bottled parsley flakes and the bottled dill, but it's okay, it all works the same. Just don't buy any ranch in a bottle. Okay, now that we have that done, we're going to take our mayonnaise and we're gonna do 1 cup of mayonnaise. 1 cup of mayo. I honestly couldn't believe how easy it was to make ranch until I made it. And I was like, dang, why have I been buying the store-bought? Because I'm right with y'all, I was buying it too. But I will no longer do that. Because we're just gonna make everything in the house. Okay, we're gonna do 1 cup of sour cream. And I almost forgot, and this would have been bad, but you also need milk, so I'm gonna get that. So I have the milk. You can get whole milk, 2% milk, buttermilk. I prefer just regular milk. Now we're moving on to the sour cream. You're gonna also need to do 1 cup of that. And just plop her right on in there. I think I got it right on the head, just like I do everything. I'll do that. And lastly, 1 cup of milk. Now I'm just going to mix this very well. Make sure there's no clumps. You're gonna have to really get in there, use your muscles, and work all the clumps out of the dressing. Now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of this minced garlic paste. I'm just gonna open this up. About 1 tablespoon of that. 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. And I just eyeball it because I literally know my measurements. If you're a chef, then you know what I mean. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of dill. Just like that. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of garlic. a tablespoon of onion. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of Lowry season, a pinch of salt. You don't want too much salt because as you see, we've added a lot of seasoning, so I don't wanna make it too salty. So just like a pinch or 2 of salt and about a teaspoon of pepper. And this is optional, but I like to add red pepper flakes. You don't have to add it, but I'm just gonna add a little bit because my boys don't like spice, but I do, so. And I'm gonna get my lemon and squeeze about half of a lemon. Make sure no seeds get in it. Just like that. And lastly, the chives. Just add those straight in there. And then I'm just going to mix it, and then we're gonna taste it and see if it needs any adjustments. But as far as I know, it's not gonna need any because I know what I'm doing here, okay? Just mix it. Like, it's way better than the store-bought ranch. I'm telling you, it's way better than the restaurant ranch. Now, once you start, you're not gonna wanna stop making it. Now, moment of truth. Damn, that is ranch right there. That's some homemade ranch.
Let me see.
Try. Is it good?
Pretty good.
No, it really does. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in the fridge. You're gonna obviously store it. I like to use mason jars, but you can use whatever you want. You wanna store it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before you serve it, just so it can set and get a little bit thickened. And then yeah, it can last about a week in the fridge. Make sure you check your dates on your sour cream and milk though, so you don't have any spoiled ranch. But yeah, I would typically say about a week. So yeah, we're going to jar it up and put it in there. And luckily for me, I have some that's already ready and made. So I'm gonna plate up. So we're gonna pour it up. Hopefully I don't spill it. So this is how you jar it up. Trust me, I know, because this ain't the only thing that I be jarring up, okay? If you know, you know. We're not gonna get into detail, but yes, I know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I'm gonna get the one that I already made, and I'm gonna plate up because I'm starving. But before I eat, y'all know I gotta smoke. It's a tradition on my channel that I smoke during my videos, okay? So we're gonna do that. This is for medical purposes only. How do y'all cook y'all's chicken wings? Do y'all cook them like deep fried or in the oven, or do you grill them? Let me know, because I do mine a different way and not the traditional way. And how many of y'all are actually going to hop on the trend and start making your ranch homemade and not in that bottle crap, because it's fake. It has MSGs, natural flavors. It's full of bullshit, I'm telling you. And y'all are just eating it up and spending your money on that. Why do that when you can literally make it at home? You know what's in it and you're still alive and healthy. We have it all plated up. It smells and looks delicious, like literally. So I'm gonna get my chicken and I'm just gonna dunk it in this. Look at that. Now obviously, if you don't like all the spices, like the dill and the chives, you don't have to add as much, but me, I like it like that.
Yeah.
It's so good. I promise you, everybody's gonna love it. Just follow my steps and you will succeed. Well guys, that is it. I'm about to tear this plate up, so don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post videos like this. And make sure y'all switch, for real, switch. Just switch.